So, what are we going to talk about today? पहले नमस्ते, सलाम वालेकुम, good evening, and welcome to Nalini's Uff Ye Dil channel. So, you know that it is not a preachy channel. Whatever I find relevant, I just talk about it. Whether you follow or you just listen for enjoyment is your choice. Okay? I will not take responsibility of any consequences of what you do, but hopefully, I'll pray that you do good actions and you get good results. Now, what should I talk about? Mood swings? Do you have mood swings? Are you having mood swings? Do you fear the mood swings? If you are male, you must be fearing the mood swings of your partner, and similarly, the females, we wives, fear the mood swings of the husband, the boyfriend, or in the family of mother or father, brother, sister, anyway. So, why do mood swings happen? Scientific explanation I am not going to do. Of course, it has lot of scientific explanation dealing with the hormone variation, etc., etc. What puts you off? Rather, instead of mood swings, let's talk what puts you off. Something that really makes you feel disgusted, you, etc. So, few things that I find very disgusting. There may be somebody who is like handsome or beautiful, tall, fair, dark, okay, but the moment somebody utters an abuse, etc., etc., beep, 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 that very moment that person loses the respect in my eyes. I don't know what it is with the boys and men with the galis. Their conversations do not happen without some shower sprinkling of the abuses. Trust me, it's very disgusting. In movies, like I see, if they show the policeman or the gunda or even a respected army people. See LOC Kargil, that is one of my favorite movies because it's based on Kargil. But the amount of, the peppering of abuses which had to be beeped, it leaves you feeling like chakkar. Okay? I felt that why if they knew the censor board would be beeping it, so why did they use it? Or they want to show that our defense personnel do not talk without swearing in. I really find it very hard to believe, though I have not really met many defense people, but I have never seen them uttering. I think they are polished enough, but do you think that if they are facing a war, they are fighting a war, before showering the bullets of the gun, they would be showering the abuses? No, a big no. Then some men must be wondering that why is she blaming the women, the men. Even women swear. Yes, they do. Sadly, I have seen women who swear. The dash word, the beep words, and trust me, my face shows that how disgusted I am. People could see because some of my colleagues, female colleagues, used to use these words. And I would that, please stop saying that. And they would make fun of me, fine. But I don't like these swearing words. We have a beautiful collection of language. If we speak English, if we speak Hindi, few may say that in English the swearing in words sound more classy. How can a swearing, cursing word be classy? It is just that it's from other language. That's why it does not sound so crude. And in your own language, whether it's Bhojpuri, any regional language, or even Hindi, it sounds so crude. What is the benefit of being educated and refined if you ultimately have to use this gandi si bhasha? So trust me, I hate people who swear. And if somebody, वैसे actually the credit of this hatred goes to my parents who never swore, कभी गाली ही नहीं यूज़ करते थे, और मुझे यही पता था कि गाली बोलना असभ्य लोगों की निशानी है. स्वेयरिंग इन इज़ अ साइन ऑफ क्रूड डिस्टेस्टफुल पीपल. तो मैंने तो कभी गालियाँ सुनी नहीं अपनी फैमिली में. और अब अगर मैंने एवर सिंस आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, I saw people swearing, then in friend circle I saw people swearing, then on my, sadly in my colony there are a lot of street children who cannot speak without swearing in, and that is what they are learning from their parents, because उनकी तो भाषा सड़क की भाषा ही वही है. क्या क्या मज़ा आ जाता है. और स्पेशली अगर माँ की बहन के नाम की गालियाँ दे रहे हैं तो क्यों दे रहे हैं. आप एक माँ की कोख से जन्मे हो, एक बहन आपको राखी बांधती है जो आपसे ये उम्मीद करती है कि आप उसकी रक्षा करोगे. द मदर keeps you in the womb for 9 months and the sister loves you unconditionally and ties the bond of Rakhi on your wrist, expecting that you would protect her if need arises. How does it justify using an abuse with mother's name or sister's name? Okay, that shows you don't respect any woman. Any such a person cannot respect wife, sister, bhabhi, mother, all females. And imagine what he must be thinking about the other females. So it's a sign of being crude, asabhya, unpad, gawar. I'm not tagging anybody, excuse me, I'm not tagging anybody, but I'm just using because I've seen these people speaking more curse words than anybody else. My God, I feel as if somebody has poured molten lava in my ears. And would you believe that I did not know the meaning of so many words till few years back? I am 49. In 40s, courtesy some students and courtesy some colleagues, I learned the meaning of these words. Imagine. So, kindly refine your language. If you are using this language, trust me, सामने वाला कुछ बोले या ना बोले, वो आपसे impressed तो नहीं होगा. Nobody is going to be impressed with this kind of language which is showering out of your mouths. So don't curse, don't swear in, decide. Makasam. Okay.